Hello, today I want to tell you what my family members are doing right now. My mother is cooking dinner right now. My father is reading a book at the moment. My sister is studying for exam today. My brother is playing video game right now. My grandmother is cleaning a scarf at the moment. My grandfather is watching TV right now. My aunt is talking on the phone today. My uncle is working on his computer right now. My cousin is painting a picture today. My niece is playing with her toys right now. Thank you.